Today, let's create the second exercise in CNC programming, manufacturing technology, practical. Okay, advanced manufacturing technology, practical. This one is called stock removal cycle, right? Stock removal cycle exercise. Okay, let's create that part first. Okay, in the using mm's, okay, absolute or relative, okay, whatever it is. Okay, and then let's create a revolve in this part also, in the front plane, sketch view. Okay, first let's start with the center line. Okay, after center line, let's create the profile. This one, stick it here, and this dia should be 25, and this length is 20 mm. Okay, let's continue sketching using line. This one approximately. Let's draw something like this. Okay, this one is the third down, and yeah, let it go up to fourth down. It should be something like this. Let's first constrain the diameter. This is 22, and this one is 20. Okay, to 20, and the third one is 14 mm dia. Okay, and this should be 90. Okay, and this length is 10 mm. Okay, this should be 10 plus 3, 13 mm. Okay, this one should be 15 mm. Okay, let's keep it like that. That's it. Let's close this profile. Okay, everything seems fine. That's why we got this part. Okay, let's apply a round of 3 mm, 3 mm radius in this feature. Okay, that's it. This is the part we are going to machine it today, or we are going to create the CNC program. Okay, so save it, and let's start the new manufacturing NC assembly. This one is a stock removal process. Stock removal cycle. Okay, CNC programming. Okay, and let's choose the template mm's. Okay, let's skip it. Okay, select exercise 2. Exercise 1. Exercise 2. Okay, right. Okay, let's see how it goes. Let's go back to that file location, and this one is exercise 1. Let's take this file there. Okay, let's discuss about it later. Let's save it, close it. Let's open again. It is there. Yes. Now let us bring in the assemble the reference model here at its default position, and it's fully constrained. Okay, now we have to create coordinate system at this point, at this point. Okay, vertex point, I think so, and orientation, reference, this, and use this. Okay, start seems okay. Save it. And then workpiece, automatic workpiece. Let's choose this plane and give round. Okay, let it be by default. Okay, then we have to define the lathe. Okay, lathe, and go to tools. We are going to use single turret lathe, and in this tool let us edit the parameters. Okay, edit B 1 mm, then 1 mm for rough area turning. Okay, okay, and let's define the operation in this lathe 01 using the workpiece coordinate system. Reference plane, let's take it this one, and tolerance, let's give 0.1. Okay, okay, and then we got that menu, turn menu. In that, let's create the turn profile, and let's select this work coordinate system. Okay, let's end this profile here. Okay, now we are going to run a area turning program. So that the tool is the first tool we have created. This is how our material removal cycle will look like. Okay, let's simulate it and see. Okay, this is what is going to happen. Okay, let's edit the tool size then. Looks more bigger. It goes good. Yes, this is how our machining will take place. Let's still edit the tool. Edit definition, it will look smaller. Tool turret 1, and the tool size, let's keep this as 16 mm, and this one somewhat like 10 mm. Okay, instead of this, let's keep it somewhat 32. Proportionately, this one, let's keep it 5 mm. Okay, let's keep it 3 mm so that it will look better. Okay, okay. Now let us see that stock removal cycle. Stock removal. This is what our original rod will look like. Okay, in this rod The tool is going to take the material out. Let us simulate and see. See, this is how our program will work. Let's close it. Okay, close it. Now we have to save a CL file, cutter location file, and that let's select NC sequence and area turning and that area turning, let's go for file and these two, check it and press done. Okay, let's save this area turning cutter location file, then done. Let's wait for the machines to look. Let's select a lathe. Let's select a lathe P01, no problem. It's a lathe. Okay, please enter the program number. Let's give program number 002. This is the second program we are writing. Okay, it's done. Done output, close it. Now we can see the CNC program. CNC program MT1 exercise 2, and that the tab file contains the CNC program. This is what the CNC program that we have generated. Okay, you see one by one. This is what the CNC program. Percentage start. This is the program number, operation number, and NC codes. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, for this model, we have created the NC program. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.